Oi oi! You don't know, people, welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R, this is Cook and Vibe, that is up and coming productions with Jamaica, you know anything already. You've been preying, I know already, but we linked up Sunrise TV, we linked up Rasmoko, so there's another person that I wanted to link up with. It's on my bucket list to link up with them, you get me? So today we got a special guest today, people, yeah? He is the one that this guy is, when I'm talking about another top tier, we're talking about top tier, yeah? We're talking about a man who's dealt with the best food review show ever. We're talking about a man that's dealt with Mark Weens, the big boys. Without further ado, man, it's the food boss. Jamaica food boss, welcome to
man. Family.
They are, man.
Yeah, David.
They are, man.
Welcome
they
back
are, man.
home, brother.
Thank you, my brother.
You see me?
They
Respect. A long time that link up here over you.
Definitely.
Time for cook and vibe.
Yeah, time for cook and vibe. So you don't know, people. If you don't know Jamaica Food Bosses, make sure you go over to his channel right now. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You know everything. They know the shots already.
You know for the just click and come through.
Yeah.
You see me?
And
honestly, the same, we're going to have something on my channel as well. So
yeah.
You can catch the artists you don't know. So when M.R come up,
it's a boy thing. Yeah.
You
so you don't know, say Food Boss, right? He's got so much good content on his channel. So if you go over to his channel, like I say, he's got some episodes with Mark Weens, he's got episodes with Best Food Review Show Ever, and I watch him like all the while.
Yeah, man.
He's a man that I watch all the while. Yeah,
yeah,
these things up, proper interest in the way he goes around the world.
Well professional.
You get me? I tried to mess Sonny, yeah, he didn't message back. Yeah, I'm not.
Sonny, what, man?
He's too
got M.R, man. In that Africa, man. I give my experience.
In Africa, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but yeah, man. Glad for the link.
Yeah, man.
You
The
don't
link
know, we're there.
long overdue, but now it's there.
Yeah.
So we just have to go make it happen proper.
Yeah,
You see me?
yeah.
So proper things.
So today, people, we're gonna roast some fish. Yeah, man, we're gonna roast some fish. We say we're gonna try and get one breadfruit.
We have to go try and get something.
We're gonna try and get something.
We're gonna get up some things, man.
Something's gonna go with the fish.
I take a eye shot.
Yeah.
Eye shot is a ital shot, so that means breadfruit, anything where we can find that come out of the ground or come off our tree. Something off the roast.
Natural thing. So yeah, today, people, it's more of our vibes, just linking up Food Boss. We ain't really gonna go into no detail, a little bit with the seasoning stuff when we do the food, but say our vibes thing.
I just vibes, man.
Yeah, man, I cook and vibes.
And them never see me cook on camera yet, Although are you are cooking, Me have to go put a little of my seasoning in there.
Yeah,
I just some pepper.
Yeah, we can work it together. Yeah, it's a collaboration.
That's all. We just add a little extra pepper to it. That's it.
Yeah. So yo, me I tell the fam, when we sit down with my woman, all the while we'll watch all the different things, especially because she are forward. So she want to get in that vibe.
But we don't take in the cook and vibe from a long time.
I chose.
So me and you are linked for a long time. That's why I said them don't know how long this thing overdue.
The thing govern, man.
Yeah, man, the thing govern.
And
we are watching my cook some things in some places, in some different type of things, in some can. You name it. If you want to know if you survive.
Yo, man, I tell you,
the boss will teach you
how to cook. But I tell you what, I'm gonna be honest. Last night I didn't say it in the episode because I was stressing. I put myself to the test last night, people. Right, I had no fire lighter, I had nothing like that. Right, we'd already done 2 episodes. It was getting late. I was tired. We got there and I was like, Ben, I can't light the fire, bro. It's not working. You're giving up hope. I said, no, I won't give up. We get one little piece of plastic bag, and we get a couple leaf.
Yeah, man.
Rubbish
piece of lighter bag and just light it up.
Yo, it light up, people. Yo.
Piece of lighter and light up with some dry.
Jaja. The thing light up.
When the fire for blaze, the fire for blaze.
When the fire for blaze, the fire for blaze. And I cook conch soup, so I don't know if that's out already.
Reggie, I cook conch soup and I think give me a link for that.
First time
we have to go back and do something.
No, I chill, man, I chill.
You see me?
He didn't realise about the conch. He looked on the conch and I'm too sure about that. But when he tasted it,
creature,
he said that is special.
Yeah,
the amount of he was just drinking the juice.
Hey, man, you go back for some pick me in England when you go back.
Yeah, true, man. Yeah,
man. Hey, no ramp with the conch,
that's one thing about Jamaica food. Everything is to build up your stamina, build yourself up.
Back. Strong back.
Yeah, yeah.
Everything have to build up the stamina, build up the strength.
Yeah. So yeah, like I was saying, when we sit down with my woman, I sit down and watch your channel that I honestly, bro, I watch and I think I have to link him.
Yeah, man. The link.
I have to link him. I wouldn't be satisfied.
I watch you cook some different type of things.
Yeah.
In some snow, the man a bury some things and I cook. The man a cook in a pan. The man a cook in a pot. The man a cook pan stove. Him a cook pan pit. Him a cook pan grill.
Underground.
The man a turn in an artist. I sing now to rap.
Yeah. But you don't know, people. The album is out different. You get me? So click the link in the description. We're gonna be doing some music videos out here as well. You get me? So we gotta chop up the street, man. Oi oi!
Oi oi!
Yes, people, we got the chef. You don't know, yeah, he can give some sweet potato, big nice ones as well. You can tell they're fresh, look, you can tell that's not long come out the ground, bro, look. You can tell. And then you've got some yam as well. You get me? So yeah man, some roast fish, some yam, and some sweet potato. You get me? Jamaican food boss, M.R, Cook and Vibe, up and coming productions. It's a mad thing. Don't forget to subscribe, otherwise your fingernails eventually will go rusty.
Around town that come from?
Native, and this is native from Christopher Columbus.
Okay.
So this is, so that's why it is native.
Columbus and native.
They came here and said, Columbus came here and see this here.
Yeah.
So this is native, this is the land.
Okay.
Come and see.
See that, people?
The proteins in this is 3 times the regular coconut. What you see on the tree over there.
Yeah.
And they must know and sell juice.
Yeah. And after a while it develops something inside in the copper.
Yeah.
Copper. And that's where you get the oil from.
Okay.
So when you open this, there's a white gel in it.
Yeah.
Look for one, Joe.
What, it's not hard?
No, it's hard.
It's tough, isn't it?
Yeah, oh, it's tough, yeah.
So you can grate it.
Grate it.
Yeah, and that's when the oil comes out.
And then you extract
squeeze
the
it, yeah, man.
out of it.
Yeah, man.
And once you get the juice out of it, that is what you used to do. Rice and peas.
Yeah.
Stew peas.
True.
A big chef here talk to them.
Yeah. But remember we teach. And there's a lot of people that are watching this and they don't know. So yeah. I mean, I tell you the truth, people, I know how to cook most things Jamaican, but rice and peas is something I only learned about 6 months ago.
This is what you find in it.
Okay. Okay.
And this is what you grate up or blend.
Yeah.
And you juice it.
And you can bite off this piece.
Yeah, you got good teeth.
And truth.
You got good teeth.
Truth, man.
I am not doing that. I've got brand new teeth. No way.
And then this, you use the burn.
Yeah, man, you can use that as coal. Yeah, man, know what you mean? Yeah. Yeah, man.
Chalice that.
That's anything from a bowl, but no, I've told the people them on the channel enough times. You can use this for coal. Like, so obviously we don't get enough coconuts in Jamaica to have it just there.
It burns
but
longer.
Obviously, burn longer, yeah, and fierce as well. Fierce.
More heat.
Fierce. But yeah, in England you're never really gonna have that many coconuts just lying down. But some people just build a fire just with coconut.
This is how it start going. Go from inside here.
I was thinking that. What is that part there? Yeah, that's the only thing I've never seen.
That is start go from here.
That's the brain.
And see the sprout come through here. Yeah. And then this is a coconut tree.
This is good for your digestive system too. If you want have any belly problem and anything there, that
also,
with a piece of ginger.
Also it's good for we call it now. When you chop shit, we call it.
Just describe it. Your camera first.
Cameras, you know when you I do that. You know when I'm on camera and you go to say something, your mind goes blank.
It's like a filler, you know.
What are?
Wait, like
when you chew it up and swallow it, it is
I know what you mean. It sustains you.
Yeah.
Is that what you mean?
Oh, Yeah, because the fat content in it. So people always say if you're ever stranded on an island and you see a coconut tree, you will
That's
eat.
true.
Because the fat content in a coconut can keep you alive. Also, the coconut water is almost like
Water
saline.
was in this.
Yeah, of course.
So the young coconut water, what we always say, wash off your heart.
Yeah.
Them thing there's like injection saline where you'd get a hospital if you're dehydrated.
Yeah, of course.
Build your back proper.
And you have to remember that's the only water that it's not tampered with at all, apart from if you get naturally
Naturally
straight.
filtered.
But yeah, it's inside. Nobody can't touch that water in there. Yeah, mate. Yeah. Mad thing, people. Why are? Yeah, do you know what, people? Yeah. Every time I reach to Jamaica, I learn something new, and there's always questions I need to ask, and something I find that I don't. And natto is one spice that I've never dealt with. I've never used it. So what would you use this for? Like, if someone give you a pack of annatto and say, like, cook something, what would you?
First thing I think about, corn pork.
Corn pork.
So you ready to and get a little flavors. That's why him do
It
a corn
also,
pork
it
with
also can be used on chicken,
Yeah, man.
curried goat.
You can use on most meats, you
anything.
know. It's a wide variety of things. But it gives it a distinct color. That color, the Maroons used to use it as war paint. So they use the raw annatto off of the tree and they wipe the paints on them and the red on them. And also it's used in lipstick and makeup as well. Because of the color.
Yeah, can we have some bridging in some Rastaman bridging in a Brixton and them sell it? But I never asked them. I never asked them what it is. So that's proper interested me now.
And it's straight from
You know what's gonna happen now, didn't you, people? And we're doing annatto corn pork. Don't ramp with me. Yeah, I don't play games. As soon as I find that, boom, it's done. So yeah, in the next couple of episodes, I'm gonna get some of this seasoning, and I'm gonna get some corn pork.
man.
Hopefully, the
And-
chef's gonna give me the recipe.
Yes, man. It's straight from Cockpit Country.
Yeah,
Bar
Cockpit Country.
produces it.
Okay, so and these
Straight from
seasonings.
Cockpit Country, Maroon Town.
Maroon Town.
Yeah, man.
You get me? And I've give them a little bit of history about the Maroons, especially when it comes to the jerk and stuff.
Yeah, man,
They've had all that history.
I mean, the jerk and the Maroons basically brought over the jerk and combined it with the locals that were here at the time. They said Tainos, we learned them as Arawaks.
Yeah.
The first Jamaicans that were on the island.
Arawaks,
So
yeah.
so when they escaped and went into the hills, that's how jerk came about as well. So they fused the flavors of West Africa and the natural ingredients in Jamaica. And they started it underground cooking. They used to do it because they would hide the smoke from the red.
So what you know?
Yeah.
Give them that story, but we didn't know that the recipe story.
The recipe.
So I know the story about because we cooked jerk chicken
Yeah,
on the
man.
ground. We
Yeah,
done
man.
that, and the reason we done that is to show them about the Maroons and how jerk
Yeah, man.
started. So we done that. So they've got that info, but we didn't know. So just say that again for me. The ingredients, how that infused
So yeah, the local ingredients were combined
with the West.
with the West African style of cooking.
With the West. Okay.
The style of cooking it. So
Okay.
when they brought it over now,
Yeah.
they found that we had a lot of wild hogs and stuff. So that's how jerk pork became a thing.
Right.
So you have a place in
Okay,
Portland.
and the
Boston.
next thing, I told you people, I know my thing, I told you it was pork before chicken.
Yeah, man, it was pork before. Pork is the original thing.
Right.
I mean, Montego Bay, where we are right now, Montego comes from manteca, which means lard. So it was the pork lard and also whales that they used to harvest a lot here.
Right.
How the name Montego came about.
Okay.
So manteca is the Spanish name from the original, when Columbus rediscovered Jamaica.
Yeah.
So when he came and then the Maroons came after, they came from West Africa, when they would escape the plantations and go into the Cockpit Country or into the mountains, they would meet up or they'd intertwine with the Arawaks or the Tainos.
Okay,
And those cookings and seasonings
Mixed
along
together.
with the pimento. Pimento,
Pimento,
are the
yeah.
real ingredient.
And that's
in
the
a jerk.
main- that's jerk,
are the
innit?
main ingredient. And you can't get pimento like jerk.
You could have everything in a recipe for jerk and you ain't got no pimento, just
And
put
a
it
jerk
down
that.
and forget about
Yeah,
it.
man, and a jerk that.
Yeah.
A grillings that.
So the reason why it was pork first is because there was just pigs.
It was just
There
available.
pigs there.
Yeah, man. It was wild boar running around. So
Yeah.
you catch them, hunt them,
Yeah.
cook them. How it come about, as I say, you know the thing in the ground. The
Yeah,
thing in the
yeah,
ground
and
was
they
to
hid it
hide
so
the smoke.
nobody could see what's
But then
going on
the
and-
smoke ended up curing it and making it last longer.
course,
Anything
yeah.
in smoke, so no refrigeration that time. You know, said that now would last a lot longer. So jerk also was intertwined with charcuterie.
Right.
Charcuterie is Spanish name for beef jerky.
Right.
So when you intertwine the Spanish name with the jerk, that's how the jerk came about after
Okay.
from charcuterie as well.
Okay.
So what happened is that just became now Jamaican jerk after that. So
Right.
the hog was the original, and then you put it on anything after that, and it's jerk once you use the real flavors of Jamaica, and especially the pimento.
Yeah.
The style of cooking it, the rub what you do. Each person have their own flavor, their own style. But pimento and this are something Scotch bonnet pepper.
Yeah.
Need
Jerk.
Yeah, man.
So I think Cook and Vibe, I think you lot actually know the whole history about jerk now. Because we done the underground, cooking the chicken underground, and gave them the story of the smoke, but I didn't know it into detail. So now you've got the reason why it was pulled first, the reason how the ingredients was built together. We also gave you scotches. So am I right to say, so the Maroons started it with the underground thing, and then it would have stepped up to like the people using the pimento log.
The pimento log was always used.
That was always
So that
used.
was a flavor that was used to smoke it.
Ah,
The
okay,
not just the
okay.
pimento seed itself, it was really the pimento
So
log
you see
and
how
the leaves.
they do it in that place that I always see on your channel. What's that called?
Which one then?
The jerk
Pork pit.
pork pit.
Yeah, man.
So
Yeah.
you see that and scotches where they have like the
So right,
Pimento
so what
wood.
that do is they all so usually the pork is definitely on. Some people don't put the chicken on it like you have
Okay.
a jump on chicken,
Okay.
but the pork is on some sort of
So
wood.
when did they start doing that?
That was always done. That was done from the beginning.
So
but what happened is
why don't they do it so much now?
because pimento is not as sustainable. You cut down a pimento tree, it work more to have it grown. So we
Just getting the
substitute
berries off
that
it.
for sweet wood, which is a finer looking thing. If you we went to the fishing village and you saw them cutting it, it grows to that thickness. So
Okay.
it grows quicker and it's more sustainable.
You
than
call
the
it
other
sweet
ones.
wood, and it's
Yeah.
got, so it's got.
So
a,
it have a sweet
so
flavor.
it's not actually a tree from a fruit or nothing.
It's
like
not a tree from a fruit. or
that.
anything.
When I'm in England, because we can't get no pimento wood, I'll sometimes use cherry wood.
Yeah, man. That because you're going to get the smoke flavor from that. Yeah, man.
That's the
Same
closest
thing.
we can. Well, what you can get in certain we get certain areas in London like that are quite like big Jamaican communities there.
Yeah.
So Brixton,
Yeah, man.
you can get anything.
Big up the bricks.
Yeah, big up. Come on, Brixton. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
You can
man.
get anything in Brixton. So, yeah. But saying that, the one thing you can't get is fresh ackee.
Nah, man. Nah, man.
You can't get fresh ackee.
That's why we're national.
And one little tin like this is like 6,
Near them
7
about
pounds.
Aki tax over there.
It's mad.
I hear them about Aki tax. It's true.
Mad. It's mad. It's
Where I said
crazy,
just for
man.
have the tin up there, like them put another money on in case
Yeah,
it's stolen.
yeah. See there. It's the fresh one. See there. I can't show you that on Cook and Vibe before because the seed's not allowed to travel. Yeah, the seed's not allowed to travel because it was native from Africa.
Right.
Yeah, so they can't travel. You can't travel with the seed. One time, Bridget gave me a whole bag, and I was gonna carry it, and then I got scared at the last minute. Right, and I'm gonna put it in the bin, and I look proper dodgy because I just met. No, when I went to put it in the bin, I saw someone. I didn't want to dash it away.
Yeah.
I said, "Yo, brother, I want a bag of ackee, me and dash it away." You want to take it? He said, "Yeah, man." So they see this white guy going into the airport, walk back out the airport, get a bag, go to put it in the bin, give it to a next guy. Because the guy who I spoke to knew some people I knew, from where I come from, he took my number, it looked a bit dodgy. So when I got back in there,
Yeah, man, they get that big up.
they wanted to chat to me still. Why are you?
So you want to take back some of these?
No, I ain't risking that again. They wrapped me up last night. Yo,
Aki with
when I was tell us the last time,
No man,
them
Aki
do it.
is good to export.
Yeah, as long as it ain't got the seed in
Right,
it.
right.
Yeah, but I'm not going back for a month.
No,
That's a good
I can always
start.
have it for you.
Yeah.
Always have Aki.
Yeah.
Always have Aki.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh God, that me love.
Yeah, this is a
I
good,
wish I carry that one for mommy.
this is a good fish. Soft and nice.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Yeah. I really like.
My sweetest eating fish that the goldfish when you fry that.
This is flesh.
Oh God, man, you fry that and it's one of the sweetest fish you would ever taste
Yeah,
in
man.
your life.
Would they call it one goat?
Goldfish. Take, yeah, man. Let's take goldfish.
Fry that, man, blood fire.
Yeah,
Yeah.
goldfish. Plenty
Wow.
flesh, man.
Yellow fins.
Eatable, eatable.
Is it yellow?
Yeah.
I'm colorblind.
Yeah.
So sometimes I don't know the difference between yellow and green.
Oh, when me just colorblind and I know the difference with whole heap of color.
Yeah.
I would never know that till I married that artist.
Yeah.
Drop some knife and go outside and go down there and belly. So now I say, for the intestine.
Don't care about the roast some don't know to the dance in the yard.
Yeah, man. Oh, it's a blessing. Real life. It's a blessing.
Yeah, man.
Go
Eh?
drop no car scale.
Jack don't have no scale.
No, so
That's your skill.
no, so what, little bit, so what drop off here.
Have some
Okay,
small.
so alright.
This is what.
Yeah.
So that's called a
This is what
jackfish.
drop. This is what, yeah, this is what you drop here, right here.
And there's not much scales on it.
No, there's
Look at the
no
small
much
one.
here. Yeah.
And then you got a goldfish down there. And what they called party.
Poggy.
Pargy goat.
There's a
Jack.
less scale and drop.
Okay.
I don't need to just cut off here. Swipe along.
Yeah, big up the selector because our tune's meant to be running and they're helping us by just locking off the music for a minute. So big up the selector, big up the man them. It's appreciated. Enough love. Like I said, in Jamaica, everybody wants to help. And you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, what we're gonna do right now is just gonna flip this one round. First of all. Yeah, flip the little ones around that are not too. Is it me? And then yeah, we're good to go.
Yeah, man, just dash them straight from the fire.
Good to go.
Yeah, man, make some
sit
heat go up
sit
in
there.
your belly.
And then do you know what? I don't know if we are gonna need this, but we dash it in there same way.
Yeah, man, dash it in the same way, man.
Sure.
More food in our first.
And then I think I want Irish. 'Cause English man's in the place. You know what I mean? Irish man there. You know what I'm saying? I don't have the Irish accent, yeah. I don't have that. But yeah, we're there. London's in the place, food boss. You know what I mean, mate? You know what I mean, bro?
Yeah, man. Cook and vibe.
Cook and vibe. Please go check out the channel, people. I really appreciate it, man. Yeah, because I'm going to be honest with you, our food boss is getting more views than me right now.
Balance up the thing, man. You don't know.
Ladies and tags. Yeah, you see that up and coming productions. Yeah, we've got our sweet potato, our yam, Irish. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, they're good to go. Obviously, that's going to be done before that, but yeah, just take it off and rest it down. When you want to heat it up, chuck it back on for a minute. That's how we deal with it. Yardman style. We're in Jamaica, the fish done scale, provisions on. All we got to do, you've done to the seasoning already, so you know what we're putting in the fish. So yeah, man, it's just seasoning the fish, and we're going to give you some of them nice shots. You know them nice shots where you just see the fish go up on the fire, a little music and all
Little
that.
sizzle and little thing.
Hoi hoi! You see me? Jamaica food boss, M.R, cook and vibe. It's crazy. There's a camera there, there's a camera there. You just gotta, you know what I mean? Hoi hoi.
Oh.
Seasoning the fish. We're seasoning the fish right now.
Season up some fish.
Yeah, so I've got some good seasonings here. Like I said, they're natural that I've never used before. So we have to get a couple of that one. They only need two slits. So we're just giving the fish a little cut. You know what I mean? So we can get some flavour.
Yeah, man, cut it down to the bone so you can soak it.
Ah, them thing there. So as soon as you hear that bone, it's good to go. Where is it? There it is. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna do it all-purpose first. Get a little top there to make that. Get that in there little.
Just a little bit of seasoning and then massage it right down into there, so that it touches right down to the bone.
Sit there.
Right down in there.
Yeah, man.
Delicious.
Flip, same thing on the next side.
Because you know what I like to do? I like to so I'm going to give it a few different seasonings. You don't want to overload it, but you want to get it in these. This, you know what I'm saying? You want to get it inside because otherwise you can have flavour on the outside. And I think in the inside.
Soak on the inside.
Apart from like the outside bit. So yeah. Some more. And this is the maroon seasoning, am I right?
Yeah, man. It's the maroon seasoning from Maroon Town.
See it there, so. You see, it's a one hand thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because you have to pick up the seasoning with one hand, and you have to just rub it in. So you have to be professional when you do it like that. You get me? You have to make sure you can do it with one hand, and don't cut yourself or juke your hand with no bone. Yeah. So just a little bit, just a little bit of pimento. Is that going to come out? You don't want to come out?
Yeah,
little bit. Yeah.
Spice of Jamaica.
Yeah. The daddy of jerk, the daddy of the jerk seasoning. Yeah, not a lot of that because it's quite strong, and the flavours here. I really want to taste this one.
Natto.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna go for next. But I've not learned how to open a packet with one hand yet. So what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna try it. Let's see if we can do it. Don't play games, all right? Please. And
Right,
thanks.
I was about to say, teamwork, make the dream work. Let's put the camera down ahead.
Full can vibes, man. You see me? So this one quite strong, this seasoning. Is the annatto strong?
No, it's not really strong, but it has a hint of sweetness in it. Okay. But you can taste the seasoning right now.
Yeah. I'm gonna taste it. Yeah. That's got sweetness, isn't it? That's really nice. I'm gonna get some of that inside the fish now. Yeah, man. And then once we've got it on there, we can just massage the whole fish again because that's all three seasonings on it now. Oh, joke. Get them down there. So next, we've got some scallion, some thyme. I like this scallion here. The purpley one.
Yeah, man, the purple one pack a lot more punch and flavour.
A lot of flavour in this one here. You don't really get this so much in the UK, so it's a blessing to be using this one here. You know, so we can use it all the way down. Man, you can even use that little stem up there, said way. Yeah, man, Jamaica food boss, cook and vibe.
Just
It's a mad
in
thing.
the kitchen.
Yeah. So now just season one fish first for your people, and then we're gonna get busy with the rest of them. You know what I'm saying? So Scotch bonnet. You know, so we need that
Have to have some of that, man.
fruity.
And you see how that one have the perfect one.
Do you know what's scary about it? It makes you feel like you can just eat it, doesn't it?
Try it. I did it with Sonny.
No, I'm gonna dip on that. Me gonna dip on that. No, sir. Do you know what I do? I'm not gonna lie, I do, but I've got pickle pepper. Do you know what I mean? So afterwards, we do a little thing. We put a little, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, if we can get one vinegar, we just dash out one Scotch one. You can,
Yeah, man,
you know,
so Escovitch funny.
you can just, you know, one time we just use seawater and Scotch bonnet.
Yeah, man. That would do.
Bad.
Button finger, we call that.
Button finger, is that what you call it?
Seawater.
Oh, bun finger.
Bun finger, fresh.
Yeah.
Get the fish fresh. You get doctor fish and everything there.
Yeah, I watched the episode.
Yep.
I watched the episode the other day. Yeah, I watched the episode, man. Watch that one there, Bun Finger with Ras Kitchen. Yeah. Otherwise you're gonna get a surprise. But you know what, piece of fish, you get one surprise.
Rotten surprise, right?
Oh, yo!
Oi, oi!
Yes.
Yeah, man, you can smell that. The scratch on it has
Oh, it's
intense
amazing.
flavour. That one.
Obviously, you know, we cook Caribbean food in the UK,
Yeah.
so we use all the same flavours, but what it isn't the same is the quality.
Yeah.
So when we
It's always, it's
and
just how
there's
it
the
grows down here,
pungent
man.
fruitiness from that.
Yeah, man.
You know,
You can smell that it have a little heat actually. It's almost like
Yeah.
you have that scent that just gives off a flavour of
Yeah.
the heat, but it's more fruitiness.
Yeah.
It just has a distinct flavour. That's it's
Yeah.
not all about the heat.
I
It's
definitely
about
think
flavour.
it's the best pepper in the world, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Because any other pepper, just like green pepper and the cayenne pepper, they're all good, but it's not really so much of a flavour. The Scotch bonnet is like a fruit.
Yeah, it has flavour. So that's what we use it for. It's not always about the heat. Yes, we
Yeah.
want the heat, but we want the flavour of the pepper itself.
Yeah. So yes, people, we're good to go, really. I'm not even gonna cut that. That's half a minute, no point. So yeah.
Just pack some time in the belly.
Yeah. You know how we do fish already, people. We've done fish one
Yeah,
of the
man.
times on Cook and Pipe, but we're there with food, what's special. Yeah,
That me like, no.
That's what you say. You like the pepper.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Watch your thing, man. Watch your thing, man. We know. Yeah, we like spice as well. Yeah, man, we like spice as well. So.
Yeah, man, you pack that in and the smell of that pepper, even the smell will soak into it.
Yeah. So we have to make that scallion leg go round after that. We ain't got too much scallion in the car. Yeah, I'm just rolling around Jamaica with random stuff in the car. Like 2 bits of scallion, 1 bit of thyme.
I can't in a kitchen and I'm scared.
True.
That's like a kitchen without a knife.
That's true. That's true. So yeah, fish done, seasoned,
Yeah, man.
ready to go. We're gonna deal with the rest of them. Chop! Cause you don't wanna sit there and watch us season 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, you don't wanna see that. So. Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. Yeah! Food cook.
Good.
Catch a little while because we
Yeah,
was
man.
chilling. No, we was chilling.
When I vibe.
We was chilling and we didn't put on, need a bit more heat on that, but everything is cooked. The sweet potato, the yam, fish.
Oh, everything.
Maybe
sweet
we should
potato,
say swim
yam,
around. I don't know.
Swimmers.
Swimmers, you can call
Fish,
it.
anything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so yeah, it's taste time.
Yeah man, time to see what I want.
Yes.
Time to see what I want in our cook and vibe
Yeah.
kitchen in a Jamaica.
You see me?
Yeah man.
Well excited. Well excited. So yeah man, thank you again for the link
Yo,
up.
big up man.
Respect and manners.
Every time,
every
brother.
time. Yeah.
Bless.
So which fish you are going? Yeah.
Hey.
I'm good with anything.
Kill any one of them, man. No problem. Yeah man. Look on
Yeah.
that.
Roast fish.
Roast fish hot and rotted in my hand.
Yeah.
Even
Seasoned.
come out of the mouth.
Yeah. Seasoned by Cook and Vibe. Yeah. Hosted by
Cook
Jamaican
and
food
vibe
boss.
seasoning upon it.
But I'm gonna be
See,
honest, you know what it
look
is,
on
food
it,
boss?
look on that.
You see the sweet
Yeah
potato?
man, roasted nicely.
The sweet potato is my favorite when it's roasted, you know.
I think the yellow yam are my favorite, to tell you the truth.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
man.
I'm gonna go straight in for the sweet potato.
I'm going to piece of that belly, I see the sweet.
The roast flavor of any type of provision, I think,
To me,
from Irish to yam to sweet potato, just gives it that taste.
I got one step further. Anything that you put in coal, any type of coal fire, it just give it that taste, that distinct flavor that just brings out something different in the food.
yeah.
It brings out a total different flavor to any type of food. That
Definitely,
you cook.
definitely.
And once that smoke goes in there, it's a total different ballgame.
It's a different flavor completely.
Totally
Yeah.
different. Well, straight in on the roast fish, I'm sorry.
Yeah. No, I'm go in. No.
But I have to tell you about the roast fish.
Let's see what. Let's see if I get approval for my seasoning.
Yo, the season like a yard.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whole heap of seasoning.
Do I get the Jamaican
And I
food
just,
boss
and I just,
approval?
I mean man, I talk about, you know what I rate, brother? See that sealer. Look how the fish stuff. I mean, if you look inside, the belly, I can smell the scotch bonnet them and them thing there from it right now. Like, you can smell the seasoning in there. It's not just what was put on top. Remember him add a little pimento, that pimento flavor burst with it. So look how it open up now. Tender and soft, cooked perfectly. Falling off of the bone. Right off of the bone. The bone is literally falling and I burn up my rotted hand.
But
Yeah, man.
and that's all seasoning.
Taste the anatani
Yeah.
and the scotch bonnet pepper, the flavor of the pepper in there. Nice and soft. Yo.
I forgot where he's filming from, eh? I was just standing there.
I wanna-
I was just standing there eating.
Yeah, we're going in, everybody get
Yo.
quiet.
You know what? That's when you know the food's good when everybody goes quiet.
Not sure, man.
Fish pretty nice. This is a really nice fish actually. What kind of fish is this?
That is a jack.
Jack.
Yeah man, jack.
I like this.
This
What?
is a snapper and you can see seasoning soak right down into it. Totally gone down, straight down into it.
So this jack is more like it's quite meaty. It's not really fishy.
Yeah, it's very meaty.
Wow.
Well, it's a drier texture.
Drier.
Yeah. So it's a whiter meat, even though
Like chicken.
Yeah. It have a drier meat.
So if some people don't
Well,
like
chicken. Also, jack. It's like mackerel. It's the same species.
I mean
of
the
mackerel.
texture.
Yeah. The texture is more. It's
More
it's a
chickeny
tougher.
texture. Tougher. Yeah,
Tougher.
yeah. Rather than slimy. Yeah.
Yeah.
I really like it. I think it's the first time I've tried jack. So alright, Jack.
Yo, when I bring some flavors from the UK still from England. When I go on with a bag of things in the kitchen.
So when we was up at Sunrise, we have a thing. I don't know if you get apple crumble. You get apple crumble?
I know it.
So that's a kind of childhood thing that we have in England. Everybody loves apple crumble and custard.
And custard.
Then bit of apple crumble and custard, mate. You can't go wrong. So what we done is we got the star apple.
Yeah.
And instead of using the tough apple, I don't know what you call the tough apple here.
Which one though? Just a regular American apple.
Yeah. So you have to boil it with sugar and everything.
Yeah.
So we done that, yeah.
Yeah,
so
reduce it and bring it down.
Look out for the, I think it's out already, but yeah, we done that with Sunrise, so we done like a kind of English style with the yard thing, yeah.
Big up Sunrise anyway. When you link up.
Big up the whole team, you know,
We need
it's
that link up.
one connection.
Yeah, man.
But have me full enjoy this food. It's a blessing right now.
Brother, half
people.
of my fish gone right now. No. See that?
Right now it's a blessing.
Bone alone on the side. No ramp with it.
If no ramp, who goes no ramp with it?
No man. I mean, as I said, the seasoning is soaked. The pepper, the Scotch bonnet pepper, I love the amount of pepper that's in it. And I said it's not just heat, the flavor as well.
When that Scotch bonnet rub on the skin of the fish, and you dig in,
Yeah man.
and you buy that piece and you can
And it just bursts with flavor in the mouth.
burst with flavor.
Yeah man.
That anato season is really nice.
The anato give it a little sweetness. You don't. It's not like a sugar or anything that you put in.
Yeah.
Adding on it. It's more like a natural sweetness to it.
And we use the maroon on purpose.
Yeah man.
So new seasoning for me. Me season it, but a food boss give me the seasoning. So yeah, teamwork, you know.
Yeah man. Come out well proper.
So me I go and enjoy my fish. I've been looking at that camera the whole time. I've just realised.
I just realized we've been looking at It's alright, we share everything. It's even
Yeah, man.
the footage with the on cook and bad.
Me I tell the people, what a wicked link up.
Yeah man.
What a good vibes.
Yeah man. Good vibes.
Yeah, really good
flavor.
vibes, man.
Yeah man.
You know when you're there in the moment, you know what you're thinking, but you know when you sit down and chill and you sit
Yeah,
there, man.
and we wait for
good
the food.
vibes. Good vibes.
Wait for the food and just hold a nice reason and just
So
sit back.
yeah,
man.
man. It's good to cause you know, so when you watch someone on YouTube and then we link, we can't even enough time. We link on Instagram.
Yeah man, enough time we just mess around and say, yo man, video where you put out sick brother.
Yeah.
Music video chopping. Yeah man.
Look out for my music people, my artists as well. It's in me, a different style. I've got a new album out, it's called Different. Go check that out. You get me? Make sure you subscribe to Cook and Vibe. Make sure if you're watching this, you subscribe to Food Boss. Cause Wally put them on watching this, subscribing now.
That's I want done.
You know what it is? I tell them if you don't subscribe, what's gonna happen, Ben?
Fingernails are gonna go crusty.
Your fingernails are gonna go rusty. Press the button. Do you know what? I don't think people realise how important it is because I'm a man. Like, watch YouTube, and I don't subscribe to everything. I only subscribe to food channels because that's I know. But you watch those videos and you don't like
And
it,
you don't like
subscribe.
it, don't subscribe it.
So
Yeah.
we're guilty of it.
True.
You don't be guilty of it. So just do the right thing and do the maths.
Yeah man. Quick
Yeah.
maths. A quick maths. Big up Cook and Vibe. Wicked link up.
Yeah.
Food is great. Vibes is proper.
Yeah.
Just a mellow, chill, nice vibe, brother. Yeah man. Roast some fish. So yam in the rotted, I do him going
Oh.
You see how the fish sweet? I do him touch the yam yet.
Oh.
Hold on there, sign, we both for sign off and don't even touch the yam. You know.
Or even the Irish. You know, I like the Irish as well, you know. That's how you take off the burntness. Yardman style. And true, food boss.
What up? Yeah man, yo, me even eat the skin, you know. Like the yam skin, it have nice flavor for me.
Well, it has the most nutrition.
You want me to get a Jamaican story?
Yeah.
Might do something for your back though. Yam skin.
Well, they say with the Irish, all the nutrition's in the skin.
Yeah. A lot of the food because
yeah.
you get a lot of roughage from the skin as well. So even a lot of people here even eat mango skin. It's a different type of skin.
So, I was eating a mango one time, and a Jamaican looked at me and said, "We never seen nobody peel a mango." Didn't I?
Probably.
I said, I hear ya. He said, "No man, you just have to."
But true. Yeah man. So you peel mango.
But I'm gonna be honest, I've got new teeth now. I couldn't do that
You
before.
can't deal with it with the mango.
Yeah,
Right? No.
everything's beautiful. And I think when you eat the skin, you're getting that roast flavour even more.
Yeah, the popping with the char off of the skin.
Yeah.
And the skin have that burn on it that just add a little flavour to it. Not even a little, add a massive amount of flavour to it.
Yeah.
Man, all of me I talk English now, I say massive.
You know what I mean?
Big up the mans them.
Yeah. So yeah, good vibes, people. I'll see you next time.
Bless.
Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty.